Hello, I'm Sue Cooper and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little booklet out of A3 paper. Now, I have already painted my paper, so you can do this however you'd like. I've done a Christmassy kind of version and I've done a flowery version. So if you know how to do some watercolours, or you can use acrylics, whatever you'd like. But I'm going to be showing you how to make the booklet aspect rather than doing the painting, because honestly, you can do whatever you'd like. So A3 paper, you'll need some scissors, some Pritt stick, and if you've got a little bit of string, and I think we're ready to go. I'm going to show you how I'm going to fold this A3 bit of watercolour card paper into a book. So first off, I'm going to turn it round, making sure that the surface I'm putting it on is nice and clean. It doesn't matter about getting this white side a bit dirty. I'm going to fold it over like so, corner to corner, and try and just be as neat as I can. Hold that there, just neaten it up a little bit, and just going to try and just fold that line a little bit better. If you've got something a bit straight, like a ruler or something, just bring that across. And then whilst I've got that like that, I'm going to go across, just fold it again up to meet that line. So you're folding it into quarters. So sometimes the paper can be a bit rigid. So again, you can just try and smooth the lines a little bit. Same thing, I'm going to just turn it around because it's easier for me. Fold it up to that line. And just smooth it down. Turning it this way now, so I've got it into quarters on a vertical standpoint. I just need to do exactly the same on the other side. So again, bring it up corner to corner. For some reason it's easier to fold this way, and then I'm just going to go up and do that again, corner to the middle center fold, middle to the center fold, and now I should have 16 little rectangles. What I want to do is I'm going to cut this bit. I'm going to carry on and cut up to this bit, and then I'm going to carry on and cut up to this bit. It's going to end up looking a bit like a snake. I've got my cutting knife. I'm just going to, I've got this really great ruler. It's good for it's for fabric really, although you can obviously use it for anything. I'm going to put it on the other side, and it helps you get straight lines by measuring this against the side of the paper. So I'm going to cut where I said, up to the cross. Just make sure that's done. And I'm going to do this way around. So just making sure that it's properly on that crease. It's not the end of the world if it's not quite like that, because you can tidy up your book afterwards. And I'm going to do this way around. Let's go up to the crease. Nice and straight down. So you end up with this bit of a concertina snake kind of thing, and I want to do white to white. So I'm going to start off by bending that up like that, And then I'm going to bend that like that, fold it around like that, fold that like that, and you carry on concertining it up. So you have to get the first fold right, and that, you know, if you've got your book looking strange at the end of it, it's because you didn't get your concertina right at the start, and you just need to do it the other way around. But if you have a look, I've got this one little sheet at the beginning, and then I can, these white bits are going to be stuck together. But I've got this dinky little book. So let me show you how I stick the pages together, and we'll do it again. So I'm going to open it up now that it's folded, and I know how it's going to be. I'm just going to get some Pritt stick. So I'm just going to, for some reason I find it easier to look at it this way around, so I'm going to turn it around the way I find it easiest to look at. I've got my Pritt stick, probably not Pritt stick actually, it's probably, in fact, it's Hobbycraft Special. I'm just really going to try and glue up to the edges as much. In fact, I might just get a bit of scrappy paper. Where can I find some scrappy paper? So find some scrappy paper, and you can go right up to the edges, and that will help you get a good looking book as well. Up to the edges. In fact, maybe I'll do all of this side so it's easier, and then I'll just move that bit of paper down. Okay. Move that paper, the scrappy bit. I'll put it on that side so I'm getting the corners and the sides. Down here. So I think that's pretty much done. So I'm going to now do my fold again. It's folded before, so I can see exactly where I need to just fold it, and it's just a case of remembering how I did it, or just following the folds, trying not to get too sticky in the process. Now the outsides are sticky, but what I'm going to do is put the front cover on my little book now. Just going to weigh it down a bit, and I'll add a front cover to finish off my book, and I'll show you how I do that. Okie doke, so I've got my little book, needs a front cover. I've done the front cover, which I just made sure will fit around. So I've sort of given it a little bit of a spine. But before I stick it on, what I do, I want to make sure that I can close it, because it's just going to keep opening up quite a lot. So let me just try and make that a little bit bigger. So I'm going to just stick a little bit of string of some description on both sides, like so, and let's get the other bit, and like so, so that when it comes to me sticking down my front cover, the bit's gone now. Ah, no, it's here. So when it comes to closing it and gluing it down, I'm going to be gluing that inside. So let me just get my glue. But maybe I'll glue this bit of the book. Can you see that all right? Glue, 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 loads of glue. Hey, maybe I might even put a little bit of glue there. Not sure if that will help much. I'm just going to start, I'm just going to put that on. Make sure it's lined up. Glue, 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 glue. Let's do the front cover. I'm just going to really make sure that's nice and closely done. Glue, 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 glue. And now we have a little book with pretty little pages. I'll be able to write something cute on each page. I've done pictures that are light enough that I can write over. So I'm going to write on my book sort of stuff about my goals and objectives. And then when I'm done, I'll be able to close it like that. Isn't that cute? Ideal Christmas gift. Thank you for watching. I'm really keen to see your little booklet, so if you post yours on Instagram, I'd love to see them if you tag me, Sue Cooper Artist. Also, let me know how you get on in the comments. Good luck, and if you like this tutorial and you'd like to see more, if you could like and subscribe, I would be very grateful too. Thanks very much.